Akshay, we both have been covering this event for the past several years now, and I believe we both have seen that these students also have emotions at times that run very high when there is a result or something, that a rule that the referee lays down to determine a possible action that might have been taken. It's always going to be a two-way road between the students or the teams and the referee. And somewhere we do hope that despite the fact that this may be a long day of matches today, the result stands towards, or should we say in favor of the teams or the students more, so that we can make them at least happy also.
Absolutely, and with that whistle, the official timing of 3 minutes have begun, and straight away you can see both the bots from Team Red and Team Blue have got onto their job. Unfortunately, the two top links in the Team Blue have been dislodged, unsuccessful in holding on to it. That will be costing them some time, but good recovery as far as Team Blue is concerned. Immediately, two seedlings in their hand, and they have moved on to the area number 2. And I think Team Red is finding a little difficulty as far as Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, that is in Team Red. But one of them has been successfully placed, and two more in place. So 30 points in the Vishwakarma Institute of Technology's kitty, and that one seedling that has fallen, I think that need not to be bothered here, as he immediately goes back to the seedling rack to pick a couple of more there.
Yep.
Good withdrawal from there, nice turning, saving time for Team Red here. And on your right TV screens, you can see already you have 10 seedlings into place. So Team Blue is looking really good. Pimpri Chimwad College of Engineering is looking way ahead, and already remaining 2 of the seedlings have been picked up by the manual robot there, as he goes on to place them on the last 2 remaining slots, and he does that successfully. But look at that in area number 3 on the top of your screen, Sakshi. 2 balls already into the silos.
Indeed, and pretty commendable effort out here by the blue team, because they've been able to place all the seedlings into the designated spots. But over there we have the red team's robot, who's taking slightly more amount of time and apparently also looks to be slightly struggling to get it down into the spots that efficiently. But moving on from there, the blue team's efforts so far have been commendable, because they've been able to place all their seedlings into the holes, which allows them that in the second spot, which is the green zone, they can use the same number of balls now to also plant there. Because we do need to keep in mind that the number of seedlings that have been planted into the holes in the first zone, which is the yellow zone, the same number of balls can be planted by the team when they move into the second zone, which is the green zone.
Sakshi, just get the feeling in this match we are watching a race between the Tortoise and the Rabbit, because a team in red may be looking a tad slow, but they are looking a lot more steadier. And as far as Team Blue is concerned, from Pimpri, now 2 successful throws from the automatic robot from Team Blue. That will boost their confidence. And already 3 in place. Now that is the momentum changing in favor of Team Blue, Sakshi there.
True, and momentum, as we say, in a short duration of a match is very important, because momentum brings in the flow, and obviously the execution becomes much more smoother. And that's what we see, that Team Blue quite clearly has the momentum in their favor. And over there we have the red team still in the green zone, trying to work it around with their robot. But overall, if